Hello everyone, my name is Saurabh Kumar and you are watching the Kunasans channel. Today I am here with a video on the current affairs for the upcoming examinations of 2021 for the upcoming examinations of CDS, FCAT and NDA. This video series contains questions related to awards that have been asked in these examinations. So let's get started. Before starting, if you not subscribe this channel, subscribe it and hit the bell icon to get interesting notifications like this to you as soon as I upload the video. So let's get started. So as I have told, this video contains the awards that have been asked in the exams that are CDS, FCAT and NDA. So first is the award that is the Man Booker Prize. This award is being given in the field of literature and it has been given since 1929. Next is the Grammy Award. This award has been given for the music and has been given since 1958. Next is the Ramon Magsaysay Award. This is very important award that has been asked in the many of the examinations earlier. So please be sure about it. This is award that has been given for the Government Public Service Social Award, Service Journalism, Literature and Communication and International Understanding, and this has been given since 1957. Next is the Bharat Ratna Award. This has been given for the outstanding contribution in the field of art, literature, science and public service. Next award is Dada Saheb Phalke Award. As you all know, this is an award that has been given related to film and it has been given since 1969. Next award is the Gyanpith Award. This award has been given for literature and has been given in since 1965. Next award is the Saraswati Samman Award. This award has been given for the literature field related to literature and it has been given since 1993. Next is the Vachaspati Samman Award. This award has been given in the field of Sanskrit literature. Next is Vyasa Samman Award that has been given related to literature field. Next is the Kabir Samman Award that has been given related to field associated with socio-communal harmony. Dronacharya Award has been given related to sports, coaching or training and has been given since 1985. Next is the Arjuna Award. This award has been given related to the field of sport and has been given since 1961. Bhatnagar Award. This award has been given related to field of science. Dhanvantri Award. This award has been given related to the field of medical science. Borlaug Award. This award is related to field of agriculture. Shankar Award. This award has been given related to the field of Indian philosophy, culture and art. Talking something about Oscar Award. This award is given on the excellence in cinematic achievements. This was first awarded in 1929. Indians to win Oscar. There been question asked on the Indians who won the Oscar awards in the previous exams. So this makes these points very much important. Bhanu Athaiya, best costume design for Gandhi. The movie that was named Gandhi, Bhanu Athaiya was given for the best costume design. Satyajit Ray, honorary lifetime achievement award for Patthar Panchali, that was given in 1992. Rasool Pokuti, best sound mixing for the Slumdog Millionaire, the movie that is named as Slumdog Millionaire. In this he was been given for the best sound mixing. Next is A.R. Rahman and Gulzar Sahab. They both got Oscar for the Slumdog Millionaire movie, the song named Jai Ho. Oscar awards in 2020. Since these awards have been given in 2020, so this makes these points very much important that may be asked in the upcoming examinations. Best Picture award is been given to movie Parasite. Best Actress is been given to Renee Zellweger for the movie Judy. Best Actor Joaquin Phoenix for the movie Joker. Best Director is been given to Bong Joon-ho for the movie Parasite. This is the same movie that got the Best Picture award, Parasite, and the director of it was Bong Joon-ho, so he got the Best Director award. Animated short film that got the Oscar award in 2020 is Hair Love. Animated feature film that got the Oscar award in 2020 is the Toy Story. So please do remember these names and the related awards of Oscar that they got. Next is the Man Booker International Prize. This award is been awarded for Best English Fiction. It was first awarded in 1969. Now Indian who won the Man Booker International Prize, V.P. Naipaul, in A Free State in 1971. V.P. Naipaul, who wrote the book In a Free State in 1971, got the Man Booker International Prize. Salman Rushdie, Midnight Children in 1997. Salman Rushdie got the Man Booker International Prize for the book Midnight Children in 1997. Arundhati Roy got it for the book God of Small Children. Aravind Adiga got the Man Booker Prize for the book The White Tiger in 2008. Next is the Pulitzer Award. This award is been awarded for an achievement in newspaper, magazine, and online journalism, literature, music composition within United States. First awarded in 1971. It was first awarded in 1917. In 1937, Gobind Bihari Lal became first Indian to win a Pulitzer Award. So this makes this point very much important. The first Pulitzer Awards are very much important because in 2020, three people, Dar Yasin, Mukhtar Khan and Channi Anand were awarded 2020 Pulitzer Prize in the field of feature photography capturing life in Kashmir after scrapping Article 370. Since you all know in 2019 the Article 370 and 35A was abrogated from the state of Jammu and Kashmir. So these three persons, Dar Yasin, Mukhtar Khan and Channi Anand, were awarded for the Pulitzer Prize 2020 in the field of feature photography. So this makes this point very much important, it may be asked. Next is the Ramon Magsaysay Award. This award has been given for outstanding contribution in government service. Please note that this has been given outstanding contribution in government service, public service and any other field, and this has been given by Philippines, first given in 1957. First Indian who got the Ramon Magsaysay Award is Vinoba Bhave for the community leadership in 1958. Mother Teresa got Ramon Magsaysay Award for peace in 1962. Only from political background, the person who has got the Ramon Magsaysay Award is Arvind Kejriwal. First for journalism is been given to Amitabh Chaudhary, and Jaiprakash got this award in public service. So these are the important awards that may be asked in the upcoming examination. Thank you for listening and watching.